Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. What you think about this new legislative law there in Canada? Do you think USA is going to try to follow what Canada is doing? Check this out, what the Prime Minister said last week here in Canada. This is in 2022. Check this out about gun control.
We're introducing legislation to implement a national freeze on handgun ownership. What this means is that it will no longer be possible to buy, sell, transfer, or import handguns anywhere in Canada. We need less gun violence. We cannot let the guns debate become so polarized that nothing gets done. We cannot let that happen today.
Now, check this out in 2020, what the Prime Minister said. So we just listened to 2022. This is 2 years ago right here.
Today, we are closing the market for military-grade assault weapons in Canada. We are banning 1,500 models and variants of these firearms by way of regulations. But you don't need an AR-15 to bring down a deer. So, effective immediately, it is no longer permitted to buy, sell, transport, import, or use military-grade assault weapons in this country.
So what you guys think? I know this is going to hurt a lot of businesses in Canada. Some of these shops, they're going to have to shut down because they're not allowed. And I was listening to the news. Some of these places, that's 60% of their income.
That's about 40 to 60% of my business. So now I have to figure out if that is lost revenue. I have to figure out how we move forward, how we potentially grow the business, how I keep all my staff employed.
So they're going to have to shut down. But here in the States, listen to what our former president said about guns and tell me if you believe him or not.
The notion that I or Hillary or Democrats or whoever you want to choose are hell-bent on taking away folks' guns is just not true.
Never waste a good crisis.
So what you guys think? You think the U.S. going to follow Canada's lead, or they're going to try? But anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.